The construction industry relies heavily on geotechnical investigation services since they offer useful knowledge about the geotechnical characteristics of the site. In these investigations, soil, rock, and groundwater are examined and tested to determine their appropriateness for building projects. Geotechnical investigation services are in high demand in Uttam Nagar, a busy neighborhood in Delhi, as a result of the area's rapid infrastructural development and urbanization. As the number of residential and commercial development projects in Uttam Nagar increases, it is crucial for developers and contractors to have accurate geotechnical information before beginning any construction work. The safety and stability of structures may be affected by potential dangers such as soil instability, groundwater problems, or geological hazards, which can be found through geotechnical investigations. Engineers and geotechnical specialists can decide on a project's design and foundation needs after conducting these examinations. Geotechnical investigation services are offered in Uttam Nagar by experts in the industry who are qualified and skilled. These professionals use a range of strategies and procedures to collect information about the soil and subsurface conditions. They perform in situ experiments to ascertain the soil's carrying capacity, shear strength, and permeability, such as cone penetration tests and standard penetration tests. In order to evaluate the composition and characteristics of the soil, they also gather samples for laboratory testing. For creating secure and effective foundations for buildings, bridges, highways, and other structures, geotechnical research is essential. In Uttam Nagar, SCON Design, a respected company in Delhi, offers thorough geotechnical investigation services. Their team of geotechnical engineers and technicians has a wealth of knowledge when it comes to carrying out site investigations and providing precise results. The provision of useful knowledge regarding the geotechnical characteristics of the site is one of the key roles played by geotechnical investigation services in the construction industry. In these investigations, the suitability of soil, rock, and groundwater for construction projects is evaluated by examination and testing. Due to the area's rapid infrastructure development and urbanization, geotechnical investigation services are highly sought after in Uttam Nagar, a busy neighborhood in Delhi. The number of residential and commercial development projects in Uttam Nagar is on the rise, thus before beginning any construction work, developers and contractors must obtain accurate geotechnical information. Geotechnical studies assist in identifying potential dangers that could affect the stability and safety of structures, such as